The man who hates the smoke alarm.
Hey everybody! Stop screaming! The alarm is faulty. We have to keep working on this. Okay. Please, calm down. Yeah.
A few hours later.
Shut off your fucking alarm! I can't keep working with that horrible sound! You have to shut up the parking lot! Shut up! I wanna hit you with this chair! You motherfucker! Give it on! I can't work with that sound!
What's wrong with you, Diego?
That fucking alarm doesn't just that I can work with this alarm. Fucking work.
I need you to work.
But I can't with a fucking alarm.
Just work.
It's going on and off and on.
I don't care. Just work.
A few hours later.
Okay, let's discuss about this alarm that is so annoying. Yes, actually it is. What can't work with this? What do? We shouldn't fix it or something like that.
Or call someone.
Who? You have to investigate who.
I'll investigate.
Yeah, but I mean, it's a really big problem. Well, I don't think that it's a big problem. But it is because we need to stay quiet, to can concentrate. Right? Yeah, you're right, you're right. Can we just call someone to fix that thing? Yes. No, let's...
I'll call them.
Yes? Okay, is everything fine? Another point we have to get clear? I guess that's the only thing.
Okay.
Yes?
We're gonna call someone to fix the alarm.
Yes. Yes?
Okay. Just meeting my son.
A few hours later.
Hey, Bello. Yeah? Where do we go for rubber lunch?
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Come along. I know. Wait. I hate that fucking alarm. I hate it.
Me too.
We need to
It's
leave
on
it.
and off.
Hi, may I help you in something?
Yeah, I need a fork.
Everybody needs a fork.
No, a fucking table.
Oh, you better not fuck on this table, you son of a
You
bitch.
don't understand me, a fork.
Ah, yes.
Hey.
Sure.
A few hours later.
Hello, brother from another mother. It's me, Diego.
Oh, Diego. Yeah. I'm fine, and you? Yeah.
I'm good. Hey, I need to tell you something.
What you need, you brother from another mother?
Hey, I need you to fix our alarm. It's going on and off and just beeping and it's making the office crazy.
Alarm? What is this shit? Hello? Diego? What is shit?
Yes, the alarm from the office, the smoke alarm.
Oh, that is the moon. What? Yeah, the alarm. Yeah, the alarm. The moon.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you. I need you to get here like 2 p.m. Is that good for you?
Yes, 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 yes.
A few hours later.
Hello. Hello, how are you?
Good. Anyone?
Hey, the alarm is upstairs.
So, a few moments later.
Where's the problem?
And the smoke alarm is going on and off and it doesn't stop. Our employees are becoming crazy. They can't work with that fucking alarm. You understand me? You help me?
I need you to know who is the alarm.
Sure, about the alarm here.
Yeah.
We're going to repair it.
Thank you so much.
You like to talk without my authorization.
Would he say authorization?
I'm sorry, sir. I just...
Shut up.
Hey, come down.
You shut up. This is one of my picks.
Oh, okay.
I will kill you.
Fuck. What did he say? So, a few moments later.
What are you doing?
Yeah, it doesn't work.
That's the alarm.
Oh, sure. Alarm. Yeah.
What the fuck.
The alarm's okay! Yay!
But he didn't do anything.
Oh, they fixed the alarm.
Long ways to die. So many long ways to die.